Hello guys! So mag-date mini Mr. Diba? Mag-lunch date na naman kaming dalawa guys. So dito muna kami sa bank. So nag-deposit muna yung aking asawa.
Yes, bill is due.
And then punta na naman kami sa sa fish market. We're gonna have lunch together. And then sobrang napakatagal nila.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.
How much did you pay last time there, my husband?
Not per date with my wife. That's priceless. A date with my wife is priceless.
Yeah. Just two of us.
Just the two of us.
Oh, happy. My husband is happy. We're happy together. Because Ethan it's at school.
The other two are supposed to be at home working.
Yeah. The other two is at
That's
home.
happening, but
They don't like going out too because they want to spend their time in the bed.
I know, it's all sad.
On bed with their cell phone. Let's go. Sana na namin sa salad guys. Ano doon dito? One. So we're here guys. We have to order
You want my lemon for anything, dude?
your lemon.
Huh? My
No.
lemon for anything? You don't? You don't want it for your oysters or anything?
No. Ano ako Mr. guys. We're waiting for our order. Oh yeah. Salat na. Yan yung aking Mr. So empty na dito guys. Oh, so ayun siya. Empty na dito. So dito yung table namin. Tapos meron ganyan. Ayan. So kain muna kami ng biscuit. Yun yung in-order ko guys. Ito yung binabalik-balikan ko guys. And then we have rice here. Yan yung kay Mr. So mga kami guys. Hindi lang ko mag-video ha. That's it guys. Tapos na kaming kumain guys. We're done our lunch date. Lunch date with my husband. Hindi ko natapos ito lahat. Pinapunta ko lang dito yung kaning ano ba? Tahong ni Carla. Diba? Is the one I have last time. See? Ang sabi ng master is tinitingnan daw kami ng babae sa kabilang table guys. So, chika na lang ako mamaya. Pupunta kami ng Sam's Club. So, magbili kami ng diaper ni Ethan doon dahil sale sila guys. $5 off. Patik out ko lang tong akong tahong. Akong tahong daw. So, tapos na kaming kumain guys. Tapos na yung aming dinner lunch date ni Master. And then nabusog kami guys. Grabe ang busog. Nung nangyari sa aking camera, parang it's very. So punta na kami ng Sam's Club guys. Did you get tip? Did you give?
I think it's 20% left. He did good service. He was there when we needed him all the time. So
Yeah.
20%.
20% of how much you ate. How much did we pay, my husband?
It was 48 total with tax.
$48 guys for including the tax guys. And then yeah. So grabe na busog na kami. Busog na busog. So sabi ng aking mister guys is tinitingnan daw kami ng babae doon sa gilid namin.
2,500 pesos.
Aha. Oh yeah, yeah. 2,000.
2,500 pesos.
Yeah, almost 2,000 something.
Okay.
So that okay? You are the kuan,
Oh,
the money.
Tasted good.
So yeah, so nag-enjoy kami sa aming lunch day.
Beautiful company, good meal.
Yeah, so sabi ni Mr. tinitingnan kami ng babae doon guys na sa kabilang table. And then,
You bring your wedding ring next time you get stressed. Put you whatever we need to do. Get
Yeah.
a picture.
so I didn't bring my kuan kasi guys dahil hindi na siya magkasya sa akin dahil tumambok nga yung inyong lola. Tumambok, tumambok,
You bring it with
tumambling.
you, did you?
Didn't.
Wouldn't be.
Just leave it at home.
Bring it.
I have the other one. I need to clean it because I have to wear it too.
So we're married.
Yeah. Because
Just engaged.
kay, yung mga tao guys ba is tumitingin sa amin. Sabi ng aking asawa is baka daw dahil sa edad namin dalawa. So wala akong paki sa mga ganon guys. Importante minahal tayo. Hindi
Yaka,
tayo
yaka, yaka.
sinasaktan.
Yaka, yaka, yaka.
Kaya ka.
Yaka, 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 folks.
Chika tayo maya guys. See you there! Ha? 22nd? Sana namin sa Sam's Club guys. Namalit mo yung panty.
22nd October 2024.
Aha. Snack. Wala nami lace guys. Potato chips. $16? Oh, Reese's oh? Reese's.
145 pieces.
Ah, 65. Yeah. You want?
No, no, no.
Yeah. So, we're starting ano guys, underwear.
Medium for $10.
Kasi Ethan like Ethan ask ko. Yeah. Yeah. 180. Going to Ethan's school or
Do whatever we do.
in the house? What?
We get to the house, and then Nathan's school will be doing good.
Yeah, it's 3:02 right now.
Yeah. Huh?
3:02.
303, yeah.
So we're heading home guys. We will drop by the kuan.
Let's stick. Pomegranate goes in the downstairs refrigerator anyway. Stick yogurt sticks down there too right now.
Yeah,
Stick pot stickers in the freezer downstairs if you want to.
yeah.
Holler at them, tell them come get them, put them up in the freezer upstairs.
Ethan is here now guys. And then we have to
He is.
drop by to Aldi's to get his kuan guys.
We need
Milk.
half a gallon of milk, we need bread, we need Oreos, we need crackers.
Yeah. So ayan si Ethan. So he has a great day daw. A great day today. He's eating a lot.
What's up, man? What's up?
He's not taking enough. So he's gonna be so tired.
Smiling, smile back.
So hello guys. Wala namin sa balay guys. And then natulog na si Ethan. Ayan. So ayun na nga guys. Yung chika ko. Hinayon na akong tingog guys. Kaya baka magising si Ethan. So yung chika ko kanina guys. Sinasabi ko naman. Sabi ni Mr. is tinitingnan daw kami ng babae sa kabilang table. So sabi ko bakit naman tayo tinitingnan? Anong dahilan? Bakit tayo tinitingnan? Sabi niya. Baka daw sa edad namin guys. Baka daw sa edad namin dalawa ba. So ganun. So sabi ko sa kanya, nahihiya ka ba? So sabi niya, hindi naman siya nahihiya. Hindi ko kasi suot yung aking wedding ring guys dahil hindi na nga siya magkasya sa akin. So palagi na lang siya dito sa aming drawer. So dito na siya nilagay. Baka magising si Ethan na. Saan ko ba siya nilagay? Akong stick na sa silong. Dali lang guys, ito ni. Ang tama na ito. Iba pala to. Yung Oreos ko pala to. Dito pala siya nakalagay. Guys, ito yung aming wedding ring. Oh. Hindi na siya magkasya sa akin. Oh. Dahil tumaba nga ako so hindi na siya magkasya. So ngayon is palakihin daw niya. Ito is hindi din magkasya na sa akin dahil nga tumaba ako. So, paano daw ni Mr. dito guys? Baluagan niya, babaluagan. Para magkasya sa akin. So ano daw nangyari sa akin? Hindi niyo ako marinig. Hindi ko lang babain yung aking video. So ito lang kasi ang dito sa akin. So baka daw sabihin nila na engage lang niya ako. So palalakihin niya yung aming wedding ring, yung aking wedding ring, yung sa kanya, suot naman niya. So ayun lang guys, and then, pagkarating din namin doon, nung umuupo pa lang kami sa table, tinitingnan din kami sa kabilang table. So alam ko tinitingnan, hindi ko na lang sinasabi ni Mr. And then nagtatawanan sila ba. Hindi natin alam kung tayo ba yung tinatawanan nila, pero parang nafe-feel ko din ba, pero pabayaan ko na, hindi ko na sila iniintindi. So meron pa parang ganito dito guys, so ganun yung mga ano ba, so ididma na lang natin, so wag na natin problemahin, problema na nila yun kung naaano sila sa atin. So ayun lang guys, so ayun lang yung ating vlog for today. So thank you all for watching guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.